So guys, it is one nasty day out on the water here. We just had a pretty serious front that went through. We got a lot of cloud cover, the water temps dropped. And I want to show you a bait that I pull out sometimes when that flipping bite just goes off, or when you just really have to draw a reaction strike out of them. They don't seem to want to hit it no matter how slow you go. And it's really kind of cool because D&M came out with some new colors in this joker. And this is the Piranha Swim Jig. I've done a vid on it before. It's a bladed swim jig, great for ripping off the grass and getting those reaction strikes, especially when you get around like hydrilla, flat pads, or just like a little bit of tangly grass. Man, when you rip that bait off and just let it flutter for a second, those big girls come out and whack it, especially those pre-spawn, spawn kind of fish. There's some new colors that are available now. We got chartreuse shad, clear lake hitch, as well as sexy shad. There's some great colors. They're nice and loud. They'll imitate shiners. They'll imitate shad, especially that Clear Lake hitch. That's for you West Coast boys with all the hitch in the lake and Clear Lake and that. But actually, I kind of like that because it has some of the same shades as our brim and red ear sunfish down here. It's a little bit lighter, but sometimes those ones that come up right off the main lake and come into the grass have a much lighter complexion than those that have been sitting in the grass for a while. But definitely got to check them out, dude. New colors on the Piranha Swim Jig from D&M Custom Baits. They're going to be hot. You get some days like these where it's nasty, cold, and blowing. Get out the big boys and catch some big girls. All right, guys, tight lines. I hope this helped you out.